If you're stepping into a serious LS build, airflow becomes everything. And that is where the M311 comes in. This is the M311, a 273cc LS3 cylinder head by Frankenstein Engine Dynamics. The very first cylinder head introduced into the Monster series line, designed to push well past OEM limitations. The M311 features a fully CNC ported 273cc intake runner, 112cc exhaust, and 68cc combustion chamber. Valve sizing comes in at two 165 intake and one 600 exhaust, paired with an 11-degree valve angle to help maximize airflow and efficiency on larger cubic inch LSs. Everything is machined using a 5-axis CNC program, then hand-blended and deburred before final inspection. Now on the flow bench, this cylinder head moves serious air, reaching over 380 CFM at 700 lift, while the exhaust side flows 265 CFM. That kind of airflow gives the M311 serious headroom for aggressive camshafts and high horsepower builds. The component quality is exactly what you would expect at this level. Black Nitride stainless steel severe duty valves, custom pack valve springs rated for 700 lift, titanium retainers, bronze valve guides. The exhaust ports are also O-ringed and include high temperature silicone O-rings, helping seal the connection between the head and header under extreme heat. We do recommend going to a 2-inch header to take full advantage of the airflow these heads can produce. And if you're planning on running boost, there's also a Boost Monster version available. That setup upgrades you to CHE bronze valve guides and Inconel exhaust valves, designed specifically to handle the higher temperature that comes with power adders such as nitrous or boost. If you're building a serious LS3 combination and need airflow to support it, the M311 delivers the port volume, component quality, and precision machining to make it happen. Now for more information on this product or any of our other great products, head over to frankensteined.net or give our sales team an email at sales@frankensteined.net. Thanks for having us, and we'll see you on the next one.
Oh yeah, they're 15% off right now too.